Red Bull brought me into this camp specifically to take a look at incorporating the mindset training, the psychological aspect of helping people be able to push their limits. What's so bad that our heart rate pops out of our chest, that our body feels like it just wants to freeze?
So what we're going to do, we're just going to walk.
I thought it was pretty cool that the whole team was doing it together. That was really cool,
What we want to do is give them those tools and techniques in a practical way. Theme of the camp: push the envelope a little, put them out of their comfort zone. We're going to push them pretty hard.
Run up! Come on! Keep going! Back! Put your hands beneath!
Haven't done this much training since never.
At this point, how well can you think under pressure?
Yeah, it's definitely a big challenge.
This piece, the mindset piece, can be trained, and you can train it through many different aspects of development. That everyone completed this in a really impressive fashion.
For these guys that are just starting their careers pretty much, to have all this info and have these guys come down, it's pretty much priceless.
That
was great, thank you very much.